that you mention it. My folks still talk, but they speak in these two-word sentences. I'm saying too much, but you know how it gets out here. No winter coat could keep out all the cold of your atmosphere. We once sang retrograde, we'd shake the frame of your car. Now I know your name, but not who you are. It's all okay, there ain't a drop of bad blood. It's all my love, you got all my love. I'm still out here with the pills and the dogs.